Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because it gives full control over wallpaper behavior. Tap Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper to access Live, Photos, and Apple categories. This starts the process. Choose Live or a live photo from your library. Live wallpapers animate when you long press the lock screen. Make sure low power mode is off and reduce motion is disabled for full effect. These settings can prevent animation. Once done, proceed to Select, and now you pick the specific live photo and position it so the important subject sits where you want it on screen. Use Pinch to zoom and drag to frame. Enabling the live toggle ensures the animation will play on long press. Tap the play preview to confirm the effect. When satisfied, tap Set and choose whether to apply it to lock screen, home screen, or both. This step saves the change and attaches motion to the lock screen for quick visual feedback. Finish by locking your iPhone and long pressing the lock screen to confirm the live wallpaper animates. This verifies success. If it doesn't move, make sure low power mode is off and Settings Accessibility Motion Reduce Motion is disabled because those limit animations. Also confirm you set the image as lock screen, not only home screen. If problems persist, restart your device to clear temporary issues. Once restarted, test again to ensure the live effect works reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.